Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. You can contact us through the number that is provided on the channel. We provide one-to-one and group training. So we are looking into real exam questions. So this is the second one that we're going to look into. So that's the Jardine Road to Newport Avenue. So just to show you these 2 points, the green and the red point. So of course we are traveling from the green point to the red point. Now we're just going to zoom in. So that's where we are. So we start from the point. So click on the point, the green point, and you can start your journey from here. So we're going back up from here to take this main road, which is the Limehouse road you will see afterwards. So just keep going straight from here. So just follow this path and keep going straight down here. So you can see those these are the broken lines on both sides, right? So we're just following that. Okay, from here you can see we just need to follow the same road. We don't need to take the exit and go from the other side because we are still on the same road. So you can just keep on following the same path that you have taken. You don't need to do anything extra. And then again here you just keep going straight. So you can see the broken lines. We're just following those broken lines. So keep moving forward. So keep going straight. Just remember, don't touch the side lines and try to make these lines as straight as possible. So from here again, we just need to stay on the same road. We don't need to take the exit because the point that we have is the straight point. You can see where the point is, so we don't need to take the exit from here. So it'll just follow the same path here. So keep going straight from here. And now if you see, we need to take the exit because the point that we have is after the roundabout, right? So from here we take the exit now. So you take the exit, follow the road, come to the roundabout, go around the roundabout, and then we can simply come to our point and then just click on the red point. So just zoom out to show you. So it's quite simple, straight, just a couple of things that you take the exit where you have to take the exit, otherwise you just follow those broken lines while you're on that road. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.